notice if I want to build a block, I have to do it one at a time, build it this way. It'd be pretty fun if I could build a big bunch of blocks all at once. So in order to do that, we're going to need to download some code and learn to add some Python code in there. So first, I'll escape or free my mouse by minimizing it. We're going to keep our Minecraft game open here because we're going to do some cool stuff in here. But just to get it out of the way, we'll minimize it by double-clicking up there. Close that. We'll open up a browser. In here, this guy, OHanlon, has done an amazing job of teaching about how to use and how to build with Python in a window, or how to edit your game with Python. There's a couple of things that we'll learn in a little bit where we actually download a clock or we download a cannon or a snake and we run that within our program. But for us here, the instructions are right here for what we're going to go ahead and do. So I've provided that link in the page there, and we are going to begin by making a directory for our program that we're going to run. So this is a kind of fun little way to make a directory. If you select this, you can put this directly into a terminal window up here. And this little command right here says make a directory called Minecraft Magpie. If I hit enter, I go right back to the $sign. Let's check to see if it actually worked. Here's my directory for Pi. If I look down there, oh my goodness, it's right there, Minecraft Magpie. Okay, so first things first. We've done that. Now it's time to open a program. Let's open the Python editor. So we're going to go here to programming, and we're going to open Python 2. This is called the shell. We're actually going to create a new folder, new file. Go File, Save As, and we're going to call it Minecraft Magpie. M-A-G-P-I. So I'm going to look for my folder. It's called Minecraft Magpie. And I'm going to call it Minecraft-Magpie. I don't have to add the .py at the end. And if I really wanted to, I could call it Atom. I could call it whatever I want to. But for now, I'm going to just say save. Not sure why that opened. Go back to being there. And now we've got a set of our program space. So what we'll do is we're going to import some modules. And Martin has done a really nice thing by just putting the modules right in here for us. If we copy this and paste it in here, this basically tells Python, which is talking to Minecraft, to talk to each other. Import Minecraft as Minecraft, import MCPI block as block, and import time. So whatever it's calling a block, it thinks it's a block. Now we'll put another bit of code in that allows it to access the functions and features of Minecraft. So we're going to copy this bit of code and put this in right afterwards. Now Python is a programming language that is known as white space dependent. So you don't want to put spaces at the beginning here. You want to make sure things fit in there as well as possible. Just if it looks like something here, then we'll make it look like that. Now what I've done here is I've written this little bit of code, and if I run Minecraft at the same time as I run this code, let's see if I can start to chat a little bit in the world. So I'll open up Minecraft, I'll go back to my game, there I am. Okay, I want to keep my screen open, so I'm going to hit tab. Now my screen is free. If I hit run module, it says you have to save your code. Look at that. Hello, Minecraft world. Oh, that was exciting. What if I change it to hello, awesome Minecraft world? Now I'm going to run it again. So right away we see that we can chat. Now if I had people in my game, they could see exactly what I said. So that's the beginning. Now let's see what Martin's got in store for us next. I'll minimize my Minecraft pie, and we'll come down here and say, all right, let's interact with the player and have the player change position. Ooh, here's a bit of code that says, make the player move up 50 blocks in the Y position. Don't look down, and then sleep for 5 seconds. Okay, so now, oops, go back to sleep. Copy this bit of code. Sometimes copying the code can be harder than it looks. I'll just copy that and come back to my program, and I'll paste. I notice I missed something there. See how it says time.sleep5? .sleep. Notice how when I started to put like a parentheses there, it noticed and it gave me something. So if everything works here, I should go up 50 and then come back down. So let's open Minecraft again. Here I am. I'm going to run it. This time I'm just going to hit F5. Let's see what it does. Hello, awesome Minecraft world. Whoa, I'm up in the air. Don't look down. Okay. Now we just saw that if we went up 50, we could fly up in the air. Let's pause a second and think about what is the code that's underlying that. I'm going to tab so I can release out of here. Look at here. It says the position X stays the same. Position Y goes up 50, and position Z stays the same. Set position. Okay, so there's an important command right there, set position. Now it's time to play around with this. If I want my player to not just go 50 up in the air, I could put them somewhere else. So it looks like if I want them to be plus 25 in that position. Now, X, Y, and Z in a normal coordinate plane are just up, down, and something. But in our world, Y is the up axis, Z is going backwards, and X is along the bottom. So it's a little backwards from what normal math fits. But right now I'm telling it go up 50 and go along this way another 25. So I should be ending up somewhere like over there, and then I'll come back down. And instead of don't look down, I might change the text here to say, look out below. Okay. This time sleep also could be varied. If I don't like waiting so long for that to happen, I'll change that to 2 seconds. Okay, let's get Minecraft open. And we'll come over here and we'll hit run. Hey, awesome Minecraft world. Whoa, I landed somewhere different. Pretty neat. Look out below. All right, so now I'm going to tab out of this, minimize my Minecraft, and come back down and see what's next. Hello Minecraft world, sleep, get the position. Ooh, now we're going to make the player go into the ground when we fly him up in the air. That looks pretty fun. So that means the player's not only moving up and down, but they're interacting with the blocks around it. So the code below gets the player's tile position, and it finds out the type of the block the player is standing on and subtracts 1 from the Y coordinate before using set block to create blocks of the same type the player is standing on around him. So if your player is standing on dirt, he will end up with dirt surrounding him. If he's standing on stone, stone will appear. Well, with a bit of code like that, we'll just try it. Minimize again. Copy that. Come back to my code spot, and I will paste it. There's only one thing I'm missing here. It's these last bit of words, and I'm going to change the amount of time it sleeps to 3 seconds. 3 seconds. There we go. All right. Let's see how this guy works. Open up Minecraft. And remember, I'm going to be flying not just straight up in the air, but up and over. So we'll see what I land on. And I'll hit F5. Hello, awesome Minecraft world. Look out below. Landed somewhere else. It's looking underneath me, and it built a block around me. So if I look in here, oh, I see. I landed half on the edge of water and then on this sand here, so pretty neat. Okay, just one more example of some cool stuff that could happen. Now let's go back and see what else is next. Okay, now let's set this player free. Removing blocks is done by using set block, but rather than making block dirt, like solid like dirt, we make it into air. So now we're just going to copy all that, and we're going to basically make air set block all around us, place air, and say be free. Let's see how this works. Here we go. Up here, I hope I don't land on a bunch of water. Whoa, I did. I landed on water. Hello, awesome world. Look out below. And now it's air. But I can't really see it because the water's rushing in. I'm going to have to get out of here. If this was a survival world, I'd be drowning. Okay. It's my Minecrafting skills. That's probably why Martin only made it where you flew straight up in the air. So that bit of code is going to get changed. I'll tab out of this, come back to my code, and for this one, I'll remove that bit of code. So I just go straight up in the air. Okay, look out below. Now, here comes the funnest one. Let's build a big diamond floor. We copy just this last bit of code right here. I put it right down here. Let's see what happens now. Oh, open Minecraft so I can see what happens. I should just be going straight up, coming right down. Okay, now I should be buried in stuff. Yep, now I just came out. Be free, make some air around me, and diamond floor. Wow. Look how big a diamond floor that is. Oh my goodness, that's huge. Let's play around with that just a little bit. Oops, back to game and tab to get out. And I'll minimize it, and this time I want to change it. Instead of a diamond floor, I'll change it to, let's see, just read my code here. It says go 25 beside me, go 1 below me, and 25 in the other direction from me. So, and reading what it says put a block called diamond block. let me change and type in gold. And instead of making it just -1 above me, I'm going to make it -10. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, open Minecraft, and you know, I'm really just excited about seeing the gold floor done. So maybe I can get rid of some of this code up above here in my program. I don't need this part. I don't need to be set free. I might need this bit of code right here. Player tile position equals end player. So I'm going to delete that and just leave that one. Player position equals MC player get position. Delete that one. And hello awesome Minecraft world. Okay, I'll leave that. Let's see if this works. Run the module. Oh. Open up and run the module. Here we go. I'm going to say hello awesome Minecraft world. Look at that. Okay, let me go zoom around to see just how big of a world I just made. Wow. I need to go to the edge to see if it really was 10 blocks deep. Oh, it was. I have to go underwater to see it be 10 blocks deep, but it looks like I did. Pretty exciting. Okay, so you guys can imagine playing around with this quite a bit, coming up with new blocks to build houses really quickly, change the colors, change the code. All right, there's an introduction to Python and Minecraft.